Come on.
Yes.
You watch and managing ma obago Uganda mathoth. Eni gima Uganda okriti kata no expect ikine magi timre. Uganda luntie panic mode. Giwuok kanyo nade kama ne adier.
Onge panic mode na mer.
Ai kore wache gi dholuo. Panic gi mer.
Ema mer. Jema America. Nige gara tandi mawueni. Ongolengo to chopo kama chopeno. I'm the one who identified Athandi University Egerton. Daloma Geuzi. You can't do that in a public forum like that. That is wrong. Cleophas in discipline, must be stopped. Gimanya not during his years. Kada wano poko chope.
Ngama stop in discipline.
Discipline manyaka cultivate. In local council of elders, we need to get responsible people who are talking. And during our time, the church used to speak. Negi consult like Ramogi. They used to visit Ramogi. There were even stories which we had. How he was advised within the circles. You understand? Can a problem? We can't act like this. Mane momine no kaja kanisa nyuko no ataka gi. Kichuwe ma careless. Yo minyeno kapadi kuruchu. Kono remind gi. Numu kun better than Okero. Okun better than Ogut Matthews. Okun better than Dalmas. Okun better than Okwanyo. Iwija. They were being reminded yesterday. Ga priest. Manye nyasayo do jichunye. Bonwango knowledge about the archives. Okun better than Mboya. They were being told yesterday. Omyugino Nisogine, they must recollect them. ODM must exercise some discipline. Odwa bedo joma orokni kabisa. And what we are joking around with, apparently politicians mangenya poko understand the TG NSIS worldwide. They analyze everything. They can President Jalo is recording an agreement now. Tojo kadwoko report ngani kati uweka ukangani bure. The president will not go with you anywhere. ODM Emeri Guinea. President Ruto Dwaro second term. Are we able to negotiate with them? And on what prospect? Gimami Yonga to be the president Kenya can vote. Not this noise. So we need to keep quiet for now. Mondo wadog chien, wari evaluate no ke. Jakom ne wachogango. Nyocha wasu Yeruburu party leader. Oburu nyocha advantage maengo ne nkato warge Jakom. Manye jatendwa. Mama nikacha. Kono wapenyo nije duong nyonendo abruptly kwa ngeo gik mang'eny. Dibedi ni gik ma president nyocha giwacho president ka. Kuodhulwa moko maling mondo wang'e. Koro wa evaluate no be president to keep the promise. Ekwa wuo beyond 2027. For now wachako walo chon. Ting'en ka gichako gore gi jo kanisa ka. They are losing the masses. Nikechingen sami wuoyo. Nyaki wuoyo king'eni wuoyo ko ganda mane. Arambo soka gobo tedu nyake jistime kipipirika. Pode gigocho na DP. Omiyomago are not anything. Give a window president kapok understand kama woki gujo luowa you come wadhi. Kama wadhi understand the masses.
Kwa ni nyachung karango. Nige talo kwa mose chako no tako
kakineni kelo wakani. We are now telling them no what you are talking about is being measured beyond what you are saying. And there are other experts of government who will evaluate it. Kabe unyalo sustain fire mu breathe gani. Ingeni kimajoki kiani all over worldwide. Government cannot lose its fate because of your sycophancy. Why is it that president putting his yogi at the Ukambani when that time he had netna? Are they reading that thing? Omiwado gurchien. What create discipline among us? What get geek manyaja komrai la muludingo wa Ukambele? Mondo from there we can now move. The new party leader Manobed installed Oburu. Can you do what you know vice president? No. That is not where we are. wan pod wan agenda magu manene jakomo weyo nikech kama dhi eno bende gatie somebody ng'acha to Ruto the president dhi timo nade omiyo gima winjre uru kaka oganda wan sani gima wadwaro en mana infrastructure kaka inyalo los gik ma mondo obed maber mane agenda monego bedi not breathing fire nikech sani giwuoyo bende tich ma daktari obudo onego tim kodgi sani en onego dhi openj gar Ruto to energy minister manyiwa mini how is it performing athandi manyiwa mi budget ni o regulate na the budget makora achu buru lo okay if we want to move with ODM in a good angle with the government so to me I would say there is need for us to keep quiet now.
Yes,
Ana paro ndalo